Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi friends, our today's topic is factorization and we'll do question number 1 part E, exercise 1A. Our question is 20 minus 7x equal to 6x square. First of all, we will rearrange it just like this and it will become 6x square plus 7x minus 20 equal to 0. Our second step is factorization. First of all, we'll multiply 6 with 20 and you will get 120, and you have to find the pair which is most suitable. When you multiply that pair, you will get 120, and when you will add or subtract, you will get 7. To find out that pair, you can get help from prime factorization. You can divide by 2, you will get 60, then 2 by, and you will get 30, then dividing by 2 you will get 15, then 3 times 5, and then 5 times 1. And from all this section you can make a table like this one. This you can get factors. All these pairs, when you multiply them, you get 120, and now you have to choose the pair, suitable pair, from which by adding or by subtracting your answer must be 7, and this is the suitable pair. It means you can replace 7x with 15x minus 8x. So use this replacement to proceed with this question. You can write it as 6x square plus 15x minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. And now you can take common. 3x is common here, and you are left with 2x plus 5, minus 4 is common here, and you are left with 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Our next step will be taking 2x plus 5 as common, and you are left with 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now either 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or 3x minus 4 equal to 0. You can get 2x equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 over 2. Similarly, on the right side you can get 3x equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 over 3. So this is the answer for part E. Now we will proceed with part. Students will solve this question by multiplying x with 10x. You will get 10x square, and then x with minus 13, you will get minus 13x, and you are left with 3 on right side. Now you can rearrange and next step will be multiplication of 10 to 3 and you will get 30. Now you have to find the pair to whom you multiply to get 30, and when you add or subtract you can get 13. Pair can be achieved like this. If you multiply 1 and 30 you will get 30. When you multiply 2 and 15 you will get 30. When you multiply 3 and 10 you will get 30, and you can get 30 by multiplying 5 and 6. These are the possible pairs, and I think this one will be the most suitable pair. So you can replace minus 13x with minus 15x plus 2x. Let's see the changes. 10x square minus 15x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. You can take 5x as common and you are left with 2x minus 3 plus 1 as common, and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can take 2x minus 3 as common and you are left with 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Either 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 5x plus 1 equal to 0. You can get 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 over 2. On the right side you can get 5x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 over 5. This was part F. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video.